Hello everyone, welcome to the first session of SEO where we are going to learn that what is search engine optimization, that is known as SEO. Before starting SEO, I would like to recap one thing, that was the types of marketing. In the previous video, I have discussed about paid marketing and organic marketing. So paid marketing is basically means that you are giving ads, you are showing ads on Google, and because of this reason your site ranking is coming on the top of the Google search results. But the other way is about the organic marketing, means by optimizing your SEO, by doing the SEO in a better way, you can make your site ranking at the top. Basically, what is SEO? SEO is a way by the help of which your site ranking will come at Google without spending any money at all. Suppose I have searched a keyword, basically buy laptops near me, then all the laptop companies, laptop shops, that sites will come at the top. So it is a work of SEO without paid. Remember, it's a very important term. In paid marketing, we are giving ads, that's okay, but without spending any money on ads, you can take your site ranking at the top of the Google search results. It is known as search engine optimization. Now let's dive in details. Basically, what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. It is the process of getting traffic from free, organic, editorial, or natural search results on search engines. So it's a process by the help of which your site will get traffic from the free, organic, editorial, or natural search results on search engines. So what do you mean by natural search results? Means without spending any money on ads, your site will be getting a top result in SEO, search engine optimization. Your site will be top at the Google search results. It is known as SEO. So once again, it is a process of getting traffic. Your site will get traffic from the free organic editorial or natural search. Means suppose I'm going to search best laptop shops near me, then your store or your particular company's site will come at the top of the Google search results without spending any money. It is known as SEO. Now, what is the need of SEO? Let's dive into details. SEO helps to ensure that the site is accessible to a search engine and improves the chances that the site will be found by search engines. Now, you have made the site on HTML or WordPress or Wix in any platform. After making the site, you have purchased a domain too, you have connected your domain, the entire work is finished. Now you must ensure that your site is accessible on Google. Means suppose if I am going to search about your company or about your site, then the site ranking must come on Google. So SEO helps us to ensure this thing, that a site is accessible to a search engine, means Google, Yahoo, or Bing, anything, means that the site is accessible to a search engine. Then it is a common practice of internet users to not to click through pages and of search results. So where the site ranks in a search is essential for directing more traffic towards the site. Suppose if I want to open Flipkart, then as a user, in Google, I will write just Flipkart, and Flipkart's site website link will come at the top. It is a common practice. I will not write www.flipkart.com. This is a big process. I'm not going to write. So SEO is very important. If your site, if suppose I'm writing about my site, suppose ABC Limited, and if site is not coming, then users are less likely to open those sites because users will never type www.abclimited.com. They will not type a great amount of stuff. They will just search in the Google ABC Limited, and your site ranking must come. So these two are the most important need of SEO. Why SEO is essential? First thing was that to ensure that the site is accessible to a search engine. Means if I'm going to search in Google, I must get it. And second thing is do the same. That is a common practice of the internet users not to go through the URL. They will directly search the name of your site. Suppose it is ABC Limited or XYZ Limited. They're going to search over there, and your site ranking must come at the top. So it is a need of SEO. Then search engine in market line. Search engine, what other search engines are there? Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask, Yandex. We will focus on Google because Google has the highest share of SEO. Let's see over here. Google is 85.82% of the entire internet stuff is there with Google. So our site ranking must be there in Google. If it's not in AOL or others, it's not a big issue, but in Google it must be there because maximum of the users are going to access your site from Google itself. Then SEO tools are there. SEM Rocks, Firefox Essentials, free web-based SEO. So these are the SEO tools. I will give in the description section. You're going to get a link from where you can download this particular PDF, this presentation which I'm showing right now, and you can click in this blue hyperlink text, and you're going to access this sort of extensions and tools. With the help of this, you can make your site's SEO at the top. There are tools, there are ways by help of which you can do it. Now, this section I've just told right now what is paid marketing and organic marketing. It is a paid search which is coming at ads, ads to be written, and here it is a work of SEO. The green one is SEO, and it is a blue one is the ad section, that is paid marketing. Then is the SEO techniques. How SEO will come? There are techniques. Audit your site framework. Whenever you are making a site, something must be taken into consideration. Suppose meta tag and title. If you have opened the site www.flipkart.com, okay, when it comes on the search results, you will see Flipkart, okay, and down of it you will see a section where it is written that India's best shopping store, phone store, all those information description, it is known as meta description. So in meta description your keywords must be there so that your site will rank at the top of the Google search results. Then data research via end users value. What your end user, suppose I am a user of Flipkart have to make a research that what a user is likely to search. Understanding, it's the very important section. Then creates more optimized landing pages. Your landing pages, that is the first pages, must be very much optimized. It must be very much fast. It doesn't matter that your site SEO is very good, ranking is coming. People will not open your site if your site is slow. So site must be at a very fast speed. Then make your site responsive and mobile friendly. It is very important. You could have seen that many sites are there which are not mobile friendly. They are just they, whenever I'm going to open those sites, these sites will open in the desktop view in my phone also. But it's required that your site must be mobile friendly. Then double your infographic power you can increase. Implement latent semantic indexing. It's a process of indexing. Then spy and target competitors live keywords. What your competitors keywords they are using? Suppose I have a grocery shop and a particular person B has also a grocery shop, and if B's revenues are very good, then I will see that I will spy that what B's keywords are, what keywords he is using. So basically with the help of spying and targeting competitors live keywords, then it is SEO strategy. Define your target audience, that who are going to buy your products. I will never target a particular product which is not being acceptable by a given class of people. If I'm selling suppose mobile phone of Apple, then I will never target some places where people can't afford it. Or a better example is in the sense that suppose I'm selling clothes, t-shirts, jeans, basically for boys, then I will never target some girl because they will not buy my product. So you have to target audience who is going to buy your product according to their interest. Then you start creating recommendation in your strategy document. You have to create recommendations. Suppose when you have gone to Amazon, you could have seen that customers who purchase this also purchase this. So it is a recommendation systems that works. It's a work of artificial intelligence, and even you can create in your own site also. It's a recommendation systems. If you do recommendations, people are more likely to buy your product, and your SEO strategy will also increase. Then it is advantage of SEO. It is brand awareness. A brand will come. Increase site suitability. Site will suitable to users. Cost effectiveness, since you don't have to spend anything. Return on investment is very good because you're not investing anything such a great amount, and traffic will increase. Then one thing, it is the disadvantage of SEO. See, in SEO what happens now, many people can access your site. It is getting noticed by more than your target audience. Anyone can search. Anyone can search. If I am not interested in my engineering, then I can even search about IITs and I will get information from there. It's a very common example. If I am not interested about engineering, even if I search about IITG, I will get information. It is the disadvantage of SEO. Means person who don't want their particular product, if they are also searching, they are going to get it. Overt success. Black hats and white hats. They are supposed to hacking also many times, and it is costly something. Basically, it's not costly. It's very less costly because some tools you have to purchase. In many cases, tools to purchase, or if you are a specialist, you can do it yourself, or you can hire someone else. Then it is SERP. I left it slide before ago. It is a search engine results page. It is a page displayed by a search engine in response to a query by a searcher. Whenever you are searching something, I search Flipkart, then that search results page that is coming, it is known as SERP. So it is the main component of SERP is a listing of results. They list the results and returned by search engine in response to keyword query. Whatever I am searching, that particular result will come in Google search results. It is known as search engine results page. That page is known as search engine result page. Then it is SEO ranking factors, content is very important. I have said in meta description also, content is very important. Code must be very much suitable, and links and socials means Facebook share, WhatsApp share, and everything. I'm telling you from my personal experience. I have been publishing websites from the past 3 years. What happens? Maximum of the traffic comes from social links like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, comes from there. So it is very important that you keep sharing about your content in social networking sites. And now it is a conclusion, that is our search engine optimization is very hard and tedious job. Why it is hard? Because it's difficult to get ranking. It is difficult to get ranking. Use a proper keyword is very essential. It's difficult task. It can take a large amount of your time and too many pieces of puzzle if you need to piece together. Means it will take a lot of time. It will take SEO. I once read promoting a site that writers on the web are unlikely to link to as deadly as creating a fantastic website no one will see. So it is very important that your site will be ranked on Google. I'm telling you about a time. From my personal experience, I'm telling a site take at least 3 months to get ranked on in SEO. But but if you're going to do search engine marketing, that is paid marketing, your site will come ranking at the very next moment when you have paid the fees of the respective ACM provider. It is known as search engine marketing. One is SEO, the free one, and what is known as ACM, search engine marketing, which is basically the paid one. So if you're going with the paid thing, then your ranking will come at the very top at the very next moment. But in SEO will take some time, though it is completely free. Despite if you are going to you hire someone or you're going to choose some paid tools, it's something different. So it was all about SEO. I hope that you have understood the thing. If you have any doubt, there is a link given in the description that will take you to a Google form. You can ping me over there, or you can even contact me in my Instagram handle, that is at the rate of Anurag Lala 1506. Thank you. Have a great day.